Today we're diving into one of the latest updates from WhatsApp that makes connecting with your friends and family even easier. We're talking about the new and improved QR code features. So if you're looking to share or scan WhatsApp QR codes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about how to share your WhatsApp QR code. This is a great way to let others easily add you to their contact lists without needing to manually type in your number. First up, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for this feature to be available. On iOS, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On Android, you'll find the three dots in the top right corner. Tap them and then select settings. Now tap on your small QR code right beside your name. And this is how you can simply share your QR code. Now, if you want to scan a QR code from your friend, you can simply tap on scan, and this is how you can scan your QR code of your friends. Now, if you're having trouble scanning, make sure the QR code is well lit and clearly visible in the camera view. And that's how you share and scan WhatsApp QR codes with the new update. It's a simple and efficient way to connect with others quickly.